Hey y'all, welcome to a cozy fall evening routine. Let's make the most of this autumn evening with comforting food, warm bath, and just a little bit of self-care. We're just gonna relax this fall evening. So for tonight, I am making a Alfredo pasta. I'm in the mood for some pasta for dinner, so that's what we're having tonight. And I am using the pumpkin shaped noodles I found at Freshmark. We and my mom literally got like the last 3 boxes. They were out, but they had like a few left downstairs, so they got me and my mom just a few of these boxes left, and I'm so glad I got them. I don't know why I'm excited to use pasta noodles, but I never had the pumpkin shape before, so I'm excited to use it. And the recipe I'm using, y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all know I'm not good at in the kitchen. I'm not good at cooking or baking. I'm just literally using Pinterest inspired recipe because, y'all, let's be honest, Pinterest has some really good recipes on there. And I'm just gonna follow this simple 1, 2, 3 recipe. We'll still hopefully come out pretty good. I want to make these cookies I found on Pinterest. So y'all know these cookies, or some of y'all do, the crumple Oreo milkshake cookies. Y'all, I am obsessed with these cookies. Literally, by the time you're watching this video or the time this video is being filmed, that was the cookie of the week at Crumple, and I just have to make it. I was scrolling on Pinterest and I found a copycat recipe of their version of the creators on this app's version of the cookie, and I'm excited to try it. Like, y'all don't understand, I'm obsessed with Crumple Oreo milkshake cookies. So that's what we're going to make tonight. But then we're just going to watch a really good movie. And of course, if you guys want the recipe, let me know. I can like put a link or something in like the description or whatever. So we're going to attempt to make this. So as you can see, the cookies are done, so they need to cool off. And right now we are going to make the frosting. It called for salted butter, but I was out, so we're just going to try it with regular butter. It should be okay. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, but we're going to see in a second. I'm just praying it tastes good. I don't know if it's going to come close to tasting like crumple, but we're going to see. these are the cookies. I don't know if y'all can see it. I didn't have a piping bag, so I had to smear it on like butter. Y'all, I am so excited. I want to see how it tastes. Okay, please let this taste like crumble. It's not bad. Mm. Mm. It tastes more like a sugar cookie more than anything else. I mean, like it does have sugar cookie recipe ingredients, but like with crumble to me, I didn't taste a lot of sugar cookie. It tastes more Oreo side, but I feel like it tastes more sugar cookie than Oreo in this. But other than that, it's really good. The frosting's good. The cookie's good. I recommend y'all try this recipe. It is so good. Now, I'm gonna state the obvious. This isn't something that I do every night because let's just be real, y'all. Who has time to bake cookies and have a candlelit baths on a daily? Like, I wish. But these little self-care moments are perfect for unwinding and getting cozy as the weather starts to cool down. While productivity routines are important, it's just as essential to treat yourself to a relaxing evening now and then. So I encourage you to just indulge in your own version of a cozy night. And if you're looking for like more routine inspiration, especially for starting your day off right, be sure to check out my fall morning routine video.